Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Home Depot affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the Home Depot affiliate program, first, visit the Home Depot website. Scroll down to the footer of the page. Look for the link titled Affiliate Program and click on it. You will be redirected to the affiliate program page. Read through the overview and benefits of the program. When ready, click on the Join Now button. You will need to create an account, so fill in the required information. This includes your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you have completed the form, click the Create Account button. Next, you will be asked to provide information about your website or platform. Include details about how you plan to promote Home Depot products. After filling out the necessary details, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email once your application is processed. Check your email for approval status from the Home Depot affiliate team. If approved, log in to your affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your affiliate links. Explore the available banners, ads, and product links. Select the products you want to promote and generate your unique affiliate links. Incorporate these links into your content, whether it's on a website, blog, or social media. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. You can track clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Utilize this data to refine your marketing strategies. Stay updated on promotions and new products from Home Depot. This can enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. And that's it, you're ready to start promoting Home Depot as an affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.